You now have a website, and you now are online. That's all that matters, right? Well, not exactly. It is time to go beyond your GoDaddy site and have a fully optimized website.
With thousands of auto service websites populating the internet today, your website must be fast, professional, user-friendly, and tailored to your unique business to stand out. Your website needs to be customized for your business, highlighting all of your services.
What matters most in automotive marketing is getting people to your site and getting people on your site to take a profit-generating action, such as scheduling an appointment online or even calling to schedule an appointment. Simply put, to succeed online, you need an automotive website that works as hard as you do. From PPC, SEO, and social media, your website is the heart of all of it. It is the well-oiled machine that steers all of your marketing efforts.
Statistics say that if a page doesn't load in the first 3 to 4 seconds, about 50% of the traffic will entirely abandon it. It's our job in site build and design to make sure your site gets found, loads quickly, and shows potential customers how to reach you.
Content is king in the marketing world, which is why we write custom content for all of our clients. Your website will be 100% original to emphasize your voice to visitors and built to convert visitors into paying customers. We research ongoing trends in your market, and we know how to make your website the center of every aspect of your automotive marketing platform.
At Autoshop Solutions, we focus on results that matter, driving more cars to your service base. We want to make sure your website is delivering results, so we fine-tune metrics like site speed and SEO ranking that show the weight and impact of the site to provide the best possible results.
Think of it like a race car. If it were lighter, it should perform better, right? Well, not if you make it lighter by removing the engine. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? Contact us today to find out how we can build the right site for you.